Example on cone. Example, in a cone, radius of base is 1.5 centimeter and perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. Then find its volume. Value of pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. In the example given that radius of base, that is r, is equal to 1.5 cm and perpendicular height is 5 cm, that is h is equal to 5 cm. We have to find volume of cone. Therefore first write formula of volume of cone. Therefore volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. We have to write first formula. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Put value in the formula is equal to 1/3 into value of pi is 3.14 into value of r is 1.5 r square, that is 1.5 bracket square into value of h is 5 is equal to 1/3 into 3.14 into bracket 1.5 square into 5 is equal to 1/3 into 3.14 into square of 1.5 is 2.25 into 5. We have to do division here. 3 ones are 3, 3 0.37s are 21, 1 remainder, that is 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 0.75s are 2.25 is equal to 3.14 into 0.75 into 5 is equal to, we have to first do multiplication of 3.14 into 5. 3.14 into 5, that is 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry, 2 ones are 5 ones are 5 plus 2, that is 7, 5 3s are 15. Here is 2 digit after decimal point, therefore we have to give decimal point here before 2 digit, that is multiplication is 15.7. 3.14 into 5 multiplication is 15.7 into 0.75 is equal to, we have to do multiplication of 15.7 into 0.75. We write here 157 and 75. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. We have to make slant addition. Here is 5, 5 plus 3 8 plus 9 17. We write here 7, carry 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 plus 5 13 plus 4 17. We write 7, carry 1. 7 plus 1 8 plus 3 11. Here is 1 digit after decimal point and here is 2 digit after decimal point. 2 plus 1 3. We have to give decimal point before 3 digit, that is multiplication is 11.775. Third digit is 5, therefore we have to increase second digit by 1. Multiplication is 11.78 cm cube. Therefore, volume of cone is equal to 11.78 centimeter cube is answer. Please subscribe my channel, also like my videos.